was my friend. We shouldn't have been there. We should have left. The lake was so inviting. We had to take a dip. A quick dip. Hannah's ideas. We lost track. We were having too much fun. The sun disappeared before we even realized. When the winds picked up, it was all the sound I could hear, howling over the lake. We didn't have a chance. The sky was overcast within seconds. It just got so dark, so quickly. I called out to Hannah and I swam towards the shore. I didn't get very far. The waters pulled me under. I caught a glimpse. Of something yellow as it went past me. And I reached out for her, but she slipped by. And then she was gone. Just gone. How is that even possible? She disappeared right in front of me. My friend is gone. She's gone. Vanished like she never even existed. Maybe she never did.